Most industrialized countries offer at least 14 weeks of paid maternity leave.
The U.S. is the only industrialized country in the world with no national paid family leave policy.
Here in the U.S., federal law grants workers just 12 weeks of unpaid leave.
The United States leads in a lot of ways, but this is not one of them. We're way behind. Nowadays, federal workers have to choose between earning a paycheck and being with their newborn baby. It's inhumane, it's the wrong thing to do, it's not what any other country does, and we're finally changing it for the federal workforce.
We value greatly Senator Schatz's leadership on this issue. As the Senate lead on this, he's been working to get legislation passed.
The National Defense Authorization Act, a bill that authorizes funding for the U.S. military, passed the Senate this afternoon by a vote of 86-8. And included in the NDAA is a provision that would provide 12 weeks of paid parental leave for all federal workers.
Hawaii Senator Brian Schatz introduced the legislation which covers a newborn or even an adopted child.
We've got to lead by example. It's the biggest workforce in the country. It's 2.1 million workers. And if we're going to eventually get to the point where most industrialized nations are, which is that we provide parental leave, whether you're in the public or the private sector, whether you're a mom or a dad, the first step here is to do the right thing by these federal workers.
He was a leader in the fight, and this win is clearly as a result of his efforts.
We're really pleased that we're able to get this done, and finally, starting at the next fiscal year, we're going to do the right thing by all of these new parents.